Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic, and in this quick video I wanted to show you how you can create your own menu list within the menu of your LUMIX L10 camera. This is available on other models, but we're specifically focusing on the L10. So, as you know, on the L10 and many other LUMIX cameras, we have dozens and dozens of menu options that you can go through to customize and get the most out of the camera and get the results that you want. And even for myself, I've been working with Panasonic and these cameras for a long time, and even I sometimes need some time to think where I can find a specific item that's buried somewhere in the menu. So this is where this setting will really help you speed things up to get to the settings that you frequently use. So all we need to do is turn on the camera and then go into the menu. And then as you can see already, I'm on this last option here, which is called My Menu. And then go to the right and you actually get up to 3 different pages of items that you can add. To add the items, you can go to the edit menu where you see this little pencil there, and then click add. And what I'm going to do is just go through some of my favorite ones and add them. So let's go with, actually no, photo style is already on a separate button, so let's go with aspect ratio. Next one, let's do picture size. That's good, that's the resolution. ISO, it's already on a different option, so let's go with the soft skin effect, which is buried a little bit into this camera's menu. Let's do filter settings, and then just for good measure, let's do the focus limiter. There we go. Now if we come out of that and go up, you'll see on the first page, you can already see those options. That said, what if you leave the menu? So by default, this setting that we have here, the display from menu, is actually turned off. So although let's say you're using this particular page, let's say you like to come here to the filter settings quite often, if you leave this menu and then you come back, for the most part, it will just go into one of the other options that you set. So for example, if you are here, let's go to Quick AF, turn it on, and then go into the out of the menu, then come back, it will be on that last setting. What if I always want the menu, even if I navigate it here, what if I wanted to go back to my menu? And that's where this last option here does. So go there, display from my menu, turn that on, and to demonstrate, we'll go again into this Quick AF, turn that off, leave the menu, but then go back into the menu will actually take me to my menu. So as you can see, it's really nifty, really helpful to get you to the settings that you want to use frequently. Besides just adding your own settings, what you can also do is sort them. So you can, let's say you have a longer list, you want to move some up the list, you can do that. And then you can also delete. If you want to delete one item, you can do that one at a time, or you can delete all at once. Okay? So, thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps you understand on how you can set up your own menu items. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.